Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 17, 2025 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong January 17, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, January 17, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. 'See you again later' for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 17, 2025, Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, January 17, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of January 17, 2025, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.